Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 DXGI error device removed or DXGI error device hung or DirectX error on Battlefield 6. So let's go through it. So the first method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here and search for device manager. Now click on display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your drivers to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if the error is resolved. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already I have provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to change the graphic settings on the game. So after launching the game, you should set frame rate to on and also limit FPS to 60 or 90 and don't exceed above 90. Change full screen mode to borderless and make sure resolution is set to 1920 into 1080. So after changing all these settings, check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to change settings on NVIDIA app. So you have to just download the NVIDIA app, and after downloading it, go to the global settings and turn off smooth motion and then turn on low latency mode. So by this you can fix the problem. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select Battlefield 6 your game and then right click on it, click on properties, then click on general. Here you have to type -DX11 and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then check if the problem you are coming across is fixed or not. Next is to clear DirectX cache. So for that, press Windows plus R and here you have to type clean mgr, then click on OK, then select your C drive and click on OK. After that, here you have to select DirectX shader cache and then click on OK, and after that delete the files. Click on delete files and this will completely clear the DirectX cache and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option and this will check if any update is available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, Steam users, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, then click on in-game and enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to just disable it, and after disabling it, check if the problem is fixed. Discord overlay, first go to user settings, then game overlay tab, then switch off enable in game overlay option from there. GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in game overlay options from there. Apart from this, you should also disable third party overlay applications like NVIDIA Shadowplay or MSI Afterburner and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next and the final solution is to update your system BIOS. So for that, first you have to check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. And finally, restart your system and then check the game if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.